So my Discord thinks that I can't cook. So in today's episode of Cooking with No Cameraman, or Cooking with a K, that's kind of fire. I came up with that on the spot, you know what I'm saying? Give me my flowers. But today we're gonna become a chef.
Yes,
we're gonna be
sir.
making something pretty easy, peanut butter and banana protein smoothies. And then we're gonna make an omelet to go with it with some sausage on the side, you know what I'm saying? Gotta chef it up a little bit.
Bruh.
But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be today's video. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Dog, I look so white in this, what the heck, bro? Yo, do I got privilege? Question mark. But we're gonna start off with the peanut butter banana protein smoothie. And this one is pretty simple. It's just 4 simple ingredients: milk, peanut butter, ice, banana, and protein powder. Protein powder, that's what 5 ingredients.
You stupid.
But yeah, we're gonna start off by getting a banana. I literally just bought these like a few minutes ago, so yeah, I'm a chef. But so with this banana, we're gonna start off, we're gonna chop it into little pieces and everything. I'm gonna put the camera down for you boys and girls. If you didn't know, I actually learned this from school. It's easier to open a banana from the bottom. See how you just press it like that and then you just peel? All right, so there's your banana right there. You're gonna wanna cut the ends off, then just keep on chopping and chopping and chopping and chopping. And usually what I do, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I just eat them, bro. I eat like 2 or 3, so it's not too much banana in there. Because I'm telling you, if the banana starts overpowering it, it might just be terrible. Alright, so next we are going to need the milk. And the milk is in the basement, so I will be right back.
Bruh.
So I'm back with the milk. No, I wasn't gonna leave you guys. So now that we have the milk, we gotta grab the peanut butter out of here. We use, where's the peanut butter? Peanut butter is right here. Oh shoot. We have Power Max Crave. This is a protein powder that I use. I'm pretty sure you can use any protein powder. Now you don't want too much ice because I'm telling you, it'll turn disgusting. So I got 5 pieces of ice, but I usually like to use about 3 to 4. 3.5 I would say is pretty good, so I'm just gonna, I'm a chef. All right, now I'm not gonna lie, this looks like enough ice. It's like 3.5. But the ingredients we have right now is banana, milk, ice, peanut butter, protein powder, and now it's time for us to like blend it up. So yeah, now this is pre-blend right here, so peep this, right? You're gonna want to pour the milk in, but you're only gonna want to pour it up to the first line and a half. I'll show you boys. Oh shoot, I just spilled some milk over there. I'm a chef. That like first line right there, you guys see that? You see the first line right there? I hope you boys see it. If you can't, get your eyes checked, get some glasses. I don't know, you may be blind, I don't know. I'm a chef. But now that we have the milk in there, we are gonna now pour the bananas in there. So,
Yes, sir.
I say distribute them like so that they're not, I guess, clumped up. I don't know.
Bruh.
Now peanut butter, we gotta put peanut butter inside there. I'm grabbing a spoon right now if y'all can't hear. What we're gonna do with this peanut butter, I'm gonna show y'all boys. Now look, what I usually do, I don't measure any of this stuff, dog. Like, dude, hey man, say man, you know? This thick, like, scoop of peanut butter, this is a tablespoon. Yeah, this is a tablespoon or something like that, I don't know. So for the protein powder, all you're gonna really want to use is 1 scoop. I feel like that's pretty easy. 1 scoop of protein powder. That's pretty good. And then for the last one, you're gonna wanna use ice. I'm a chef. So you're gonna wanna pour the ice in there. And this is what it's gonna look like. It looks pretty disgusting right now. Hold on. It looks pretty disgusting right now, but you know what I'm saying? We're gonna blend it up. It's called a smoothie for a reason, idiot. All right, so the power button. Hit the power button. Like, bro, are you dumb?
A few moments later.
I think it should be good by now. I like I said, I don't really count. I just kind of do it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour this up. See if it tastes good. Why am I so, yo, camera. Yo, work. We're gonna pour this in. Let's see. With the amount I gave you, you should have enough for yourself, you know what I'm saying? So if anybody's trying to leech off you, trying to get some of your smoothie, tell them, hey, nah, Cam said no. Then stiff arm them or something like that, I don't know.
That shit is fucking trash, dog.
It tastes pretty good. So now that the smoothie is done, now it's time for us to make the omelet. Now the omelet isn't as hard. All you're gonna need are 3 eggs. You're gonna want to chop up some onions, chop up some tomatoes, and then you're gonna want some spinach, some salt, pepper, basically all that type of stuff. Not much, but hey, you know. So I already have some onion and some tomato already chopped up. If you want to learn how to do that, bro, just go on YouTube. That's literally what I did. We need 3 eggs and we're gonna need a bowl. I got this small bowl right here. We're just gonna crack 3 eggs, put them inside there. I got egg on my hoodie, bro. 3 eggs inside the bowl. You're gonna wanna scramble them. Usually I just grab a fork and then you just hit it with a little twisty. Bang bang, you know what I'm saying? Like not much. I'm a chef. And that's not that bad. Like once you get it like this, like bro, you're cooling, you know what I'm saying? Now what we're gonna wanna do, we have right now we have the 3 eggs scrambled, the onion and tomato. We have the spinach, but the thing about the spinach is that we didn't clean it off. So we're gonna wanna strain those out. We're gonna wanna clean those off real quick before we put them in there because we don't want any like E. coli or nothing, you know what I'm saying? Bruh. So I'm gonna grab the small strainer because you're really only gonna need a little bit of spinach. You're gonna need like 2, 3 pieces, I don't know. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab a little bit of spinach right here. We're just gonna grab like, not that much, just like a handful, bro. Like, dude, not that much. That may even be too much, but we're gonna clean that off real quick. What you're gonna wanna do, you're just gonna wanna put it under some water and then now that they're cleaned off, we can finally start the cooking process of the omelet. Yes, so first, what we're gonna wanna do first is we are going to want to spray the pan with avocado oil. I use avocado oil because, I don't know, my mom uses it, so I just use it. So spray the pan with it, boom, bang, boom, bang. I don't know how much is too much, but like, I just spray it so when I'm doing the dishes, it isn't as much. Alright, so that's pretty good. Now we're gonna start heating it up. Boom. And now while that's heating up, we are gonna grab our ingredients. Now this is really just like, what I use, it's like this salt and pepper or something like that. I don't know. It's labeled as herbs and spices seasoning and hot and spicy seasoning.
You stupid.
So I really just use those. We need cheese. What type of cheese do you use, Cameron? I use Kobe Jack cheese. I guess we can start pouring the ingredients in. So you're gonna wanna pour a little bit in first, like that much, you know? I'm a chef. Cause you're gonna need a little bit more to cover the ingredients. So what you're gonna wanna do, take some ingredients, throw them in there. I use a lot of onion, tomato, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna wanna lower the fire a little bit so it's not like, my fire, I didn't tell you guys it was on medium, my bad. You're gonna wanna throw some of those in there, throw some spinach in there. Oh shoot, yo, the fire's too high. Put some cheese over that, I guess. I don't know. I usually do the salt and pepper last, but I mean, you can do some right here. I throw a lot of cheese on there, so it's very cheesy. Herbs and spices seasoning. Now you pour the rest of the egg on top so it can cover the, like, I guess stuff. So when you actually like flip it, it actually works. If that makes sense. You want it to cook slowly so it doesn't burn as you go. So I'm gonna now grab a spatula. But we're now gonna check on this. It's still very runny, but we are gonna try to get that flip going. I may be messing up. This is low-key where I fumble the bag. Psych, we do not fumble over here. Look. We going. We're just gonna keep on pushing. Don't give up, never give up. Now look, we're gonna flip this in a minute. We're gonna let it settle for a bit. Cause you know, it's getting a little brown on there. I don't know if y'all can see that little brown right there.
A few moments later.
So now you're gonna wanna flip it. Let's get it. Just wait for it to cook out a little bit and then you're pretty much good. I'm gonna peep this right here. We're gonna put it on the plate. Notice I didn't put any meat in there because I'm honestly just gonna heat up some sausage, bro. Lazy Cam in the chat. Now look, we got the omelet right there. It looks pretty good. We got the protein smoothie right here. Now I'm gonna try the food to tell y'all if it's good or bad. If it's pretty bad, I'm gonna... That's fire. That's fire. That's fire too. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the end of the video. If you boys made it this far, you know what I'm saying? Thank you. You're goated. Twitch Cameron WAK, Instagram Cameron WAK, Twitter Cameron WAK, literally everything. Cameron WAK, not everything, but you know what I'm saying? Discord, link in the description. Once again, thank you guys for watching. It's Cameron and I'm out. I'm a chef.